Now, I don't know about you, but I love being on the beach and I love the sound of the ocean waves. So relaxing. And that's what we're going to be doing now. We're going to be doing some ocean breathing. So we're going to take a nice deep breath in through our nose. And as we exhale, we're going to just sigh it out. Like the sound of a sea wave, okay? And if you want, you can use your hands as the waves. It's completely up to you. So we're going to roll our shoulders back. Take a nice deep breath in through our nose, and we're going to exhale like a sea wave. Good. Okay, we're going to do this 5 times. Are you ready? Nice deep breath in, and exhale slowly. Good. Breathing in. Exhale. Can even close your eyes and visualize the sea. Breathe in. Breathe out. 2 more of those. Make your belly get bigger now. And exhale. And final deep breath in. And exhale. Ah, beautiful. You feeling sleepy now? I am. Might have a nap. See you again soon. Bye bye.